Next, you should have out your paintbrush and your watercolor paints. Now, one thing you need to remember when you're using your watercolor paints is that you need a cup of water, because water will activate or allow you to use the paint on your paper. If you don't have any water, there's no paint on my paintbrush. But as soon as I add water to my paintbrush and I dip it into a color, it magically starts to work, because watercolor paints work when you apply water. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to start to paint your paper. Now you can paint each area a different color. If you want to spread the paint out more, add a little bit more water to your brush, and you're going to paint each area of your paper. Now remember, it's okay if you touch your black lines because it's crayon, and crayon is what's called a resistant. Now that's a pretty big word, but it means that when the watercolor paint goes over top of it, it's just going to go really nicely over the black crayon, because crayons are made of wax. Once you do that, you can rinse your brush and you can choose another color. Make sure you rinse your brush well, because if you don't, you'll start to see blending of colors, and you don't want that, because you want to be able to see all of the pretty colors that you picked. I would please stay away from using black or brown on your paper, because you want to see nice, shiny, bright colors. And black and brown won't allow you to see those bright colors on your paper. And you're going to color in each part of your line design. Make sure you take your time. So you're going to continue to do that. And I'm going to use my favorite color, purple. And purple is going to be the next color that I use. And you're just going to continue that the whole way down your paper, doing each area. Remember, water will allow you to have more paint as you go through each of the lines that you've made. I know you're going to do a great job.